Why is my finished basement always damp? A damp finished basement is usually caused by water entering through foundation walls or floors, poor drainage outside, high indoor humidity, or plumbing leaks. Water can move through tiny cracks in concrete even when the wall looks solid. Rainwater may collect beside the foundation if gutters are clogged, downspouts end too close to the house, or the ground slopes toward the walls instead of away from them. Warm, moist air can also create condensation when it touches cool basement floors, pipes, and walls. A useful clue is the location. Wet spots near windows may point to window wells, while moisture along the floor may suggest foundation seepage or a drain problem. A musty smell can mean mold is growing behind drywall, under flooring, or inside insulation where you cannot see it. Use a humidity meter and aim for indoor humidity between 30 and 50%, using a dehumidifier when needed. Also check whether a bathroom fan, laundry machine, water heater, or hidden pipe is adding moisture. Fixing the outside drainage first often works better than simply painting the inside wall with waterproof coating. One common mistake is sealing or covering a wet wall before finding the water source, which can trap moisture and cause hidden mold, so inspect and repair drainage first. Another mistake is sending downspouts only a few feet from the foundation. Extend them farther away and keep gutters clear. People also often mistake condensation for a foundation leak, so place a piece of plastic tightly against the wall for a day or two. Moisture behind it points toward the wall, while moisture in front suggests humid basement air. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.